And welcome to a short video called Game of Thrones with Drones. And what I'd quite like to discuss is how drones are used in the production of Game of Thrones. I'm sure you've all heard of Game of Thrones. It's a hugely popular TV show, probably one of the most popular TV shows of all time. It actually pioneered the use of drones to produce the film footage for the show. For example, here you've got Kit Harington, one of the main actors from Game of Thrones, with the camera crew behind Acecore Drone. And particularly in this difficult environment, an ice environment, using ground cameras is a very difficult process, very time consuming and also quite dangerous. But instead they could utilise drones as a much quicker and much safer option. So the show, by filming in quite difficult locations, almost pioneered the use of this technology. And also in this scene from the Battle of the Bastards, to produce this type of scene you would need some sort of crane facility to get the camera so high. An alternative would be to use CGI. Now CGI is quite time consuming and quite expensive, but instead the producers could use drones to create or to take original content and make it appear much more genuine and authentic on the screen. Much quicker, much safer than using traditional ground camera equipment. Now, Game of Thrones used drones outdoors, but also indoors. For example, this scene, they used drones to protect the ground, the stone flooring. The drone is much quicker to manoeuvre, much more agile, so it's much quicker. And it also can be used both indoors and outdoors. Again here, this is from a lower angle. So instead of using cranes, which have to be manoeuvred up and down, we can quickly use a drone to get different angles quickly and safely. Now this is a photo from the set of Game of Thrones, which shows some of the actors at the bottom, but also some of the television production vehicles right in the middle of the photo. The actual producer of Game of Thrones had a lot of problem with journalists who were trying to take photos and steal video footage using drones. The actual producer of Game of Thrones were trying to publicise how much of a problem it was. For example, this is an actor who discussed on Breakfast TV about how they were plagued by drones and how the producers were forced to use technology like Droneshield to effectively shoot down drones that would block the message between the drone and the journalists on the ground controlling the drone. Now this technology will be widely used across TV and video and films in the future. So this type of technology will be needed by almost every film to stop journalists and fans from using drones to invade the sets. And it becomes such a popular topic that people producing t-shirts and comments about Game of Drones, about how Game of Thrones pioneered the use of drones to make the TV show. And quite remarkably, this is an eagle which has been trained by the French government to take down drones and actually capture the drones to disable them. And it's actually the French government which pioneered this concept. Whether it was spread on remains to be seen, but it goes to show how far governments and producers and content creators are using different ideas to protect their product. So this is a short video for you. Just if you'd like to leave a comment below, any questions you have or any comments would be gratefully received. I'll make sure I reply to all of them. If you'd like to know more about how to become a professional drone pilot, please visit our website mydronecareer.com. There'll be a link in the description. Once again, thank you for your time, and please leave a comment. Thank you very much.